Hey guys, welcome back to the Multimax channel. So in this video, we are going to see how to set up Harbor in local. So before we jumping into Harbor installation, we will first set up SSH access. So that way we can easily manage our VM remotely. So let's get started the video. So now we have to update the SSH first. So right click and open terminal. So first we have to update the packages. So using this command sudo apt update, enter password. So it updates the packages everything which we need automatically. Then use this command, we have to install the client and server. Sudo apt install open ssh hyphen client open ssh server space hyphen -. So once it's done, we have to enable the SSH. So sudo system control enable SSH. So now we have to start the SSH. So using same command, so just we change enable to start. So now it's start. Also, if you have to check it's active or not, please go to this command status. So it's already active. Now we want to know IP address. Use this command. So if you see here, this is our IP address. We have to connect to our local WSL. So go to command prompt, run as administrator. So let's see. Okay. Now use this command. We have to connect our harbor. Rate of use IP address. Enter password, VM password. So we have to connect our local WSL. So it's time to install the harbor. Now follow the steps. So by using these commands, we are going to set up harbor in local. So let's start. So now copy this command. Copy this and paste it here. So it's actually going to root directory. So enter password. So now copy this next command and paste it here. So it all updates the packages to the latest version. Let's wait. So once it's done, we have to copy next command to see. So this command actually install the required packages for Docker. Means it helps our system and talk to secure repository like Docker. So let's wait. So you're asking confirm, yes, okay. Enter Y. Then continue. So once it's done, we have to copy this. So here actually we are adding Docker's GPG keys and repos. Like we can create a secure location, download Dockers or official keys. And finally it gives proper access to it. Let's wait. So once it's finished, we have to add Docker's repository. At the same time, we have to update the system also. Now copy this and paste it here. it actually adds the Docker's report to your system, means we can install Docker from it. At the same time, it always update the system by using this command. So now copy next command and paste it here. So this command actually install the Docker engine, CLI, container runtime, and plugins required to the runs harbor. Enter. So confirm to yes. So once it's finished, it's time to install the harbor. Now copy this command and paste it here. So it downloading harbor install from the GitHub using this link. Let's wait. So once it's installed, let's check. So we have to unzip the harbor file. Now using this command, copy this and paste it here. So it extracting the files in our harbor directory. So it unzip the download files and move into the harbor folder to start setup. Now go to directory harbor and let's do check. So here we have already some files. So now copy this command and paste it here. So it actually copy the template config file and we can edit host name and admin password also. Now copy this command. We have to set our host name and password. Now copy this and paste it here. So if you see here in config file host name, we have to set our IP address. So if you see here in host name, I have pasted my IP address, and so we are using HTTP means so port number 8080, and local means we are using HTTP, and in case we are using public or this, so that's why I have uncomment this. So if you go through the down, it gives you default password. So it is your default password, which is this. Now copy this, Control O, enter, save, Control X to exit. Now check ls. Now it's time to install the process. Okay, install. So finally it install the all setup everything and start harbor services. So it's starting, let's wait. So if you see here, harbor is installed locally and the web UI should be accessible via through the IP or hostname you set in the config. Now we have to go the web browser to check harbor is loading or not by using IP address. So now type http column forward slash IP address 192.168.0.12. Also port number. So it defaultly asking, so press continue to site. So if you see here, we have to successfully complete the harbor installation in local. So if you see, harbor is now successfully installed. So now let's test with a sample example. So before that, we log into harbor and push a Docker image and check it with the shows up in the dashboard. Let's see. So first we have to log into the harbor by using this command. Copy this and paste it here. So we have previous already login. So if you want to clarify, I will log out it and again log on. Just log out. So again up arrow login. It asks admin username. So enter. So now we have successfully completed. So clear to this. So now we have to take sample image which is hello world. Using this command we have to pull the image. So it's pull the images. So once it's complete, we have to keep the tag for that image using this command, which is our. So now copy this. Paste it here. So this actually image a name that tells Docker to push it to library project in our harbor. Then enter. So it's ready. Now we have to final to push the image to the our harbor registry. Now copy this, paste it here. So now we are uploading the image to our library project. Enter. So it's successfully completed. So it's done. Finally, the image will be available in our Harbor UI. So this is the process we have to set up in a Harbor in local and test a sample image. So that's it. We have successfully logged in, pulled, tagged, and pushed an image to our Harbor registry. So you can now see the image under the library project in the Harbor UI. So your setup is working perfectly. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm Manoj, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.